Hello everyone, this is Shrawan Sir, making maths simple for you. Welcome to my YouTube channel Karna Academy. Today's topic is sequence and series, which is from class 12 basic mathematics. Here we go. Dear students, the question is find the general term, then sum to n terms of series 1 times n plus 2 times n minus 1 plus 3 times n minus 2 plus dot 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 dot. Dear students, in this question we are given a series involving natural numbers and we are asked to find the general term, or we can say nth term of the given series, and after finding the general term we have to find out the sum to n terms, that means sum of the first n terms of the given series. Dear students, this question is one of the most important question from the examination point of view. It has been asked frequently in the NEB examination of class 12. Let's start the solution. Dear students, the given series is 1 times n Dear students, the given series is 1 times n plus 2 times n minus 1 plus 3 times n minus 2 plus dot dot dot. So dear students, at first we have to find out the general term. Each term of the given series is given as the product of two numbers. So at first we'll find out the general term of the first numbers. That means we'll find out the general term of 1, 2, 3 and so on. So dear students, 1, 2, 3, they are in arithmetic sequence. So if any arithmetic sequence is given, then the general term of arithmetic sequence we can find out by using the formula Tn equals a plus n minus 1 times d. So we know that a means first term is 1, and common difference d means t2 minus t1, 2 minus 1 we get 1. So dear students, plus 1 minus 1, after cancelling plus 1 minus 1 we get Tn equals n. So dear students, directly we can write the general term of the first n natural numbers, that means the general term of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up to n terms. The general term of the first n natural numbers directly we can write as n. If you don't know, then we have to use the formula of the general term of arithmetic sequence Tn equals a plus n minus 1 into d, and by substituting the value of a, first term, and common difference, that means t2 minus t1, we get the general term of any arithmetic sequence. So dear students, here the general term of the first numbers of each term of the given series we have got n, but here in this case the general term we are not going to represent by Tn, we are going to represent by Tr. If we replace n with r, then here also replacing n by r. So dear students, this is because the second numbers in each term of the series contain n. So we have to change Tn, we have to write Tn, that means the general term we have to write Tn as Tr, because in second case the second numbers of each term of the series is given in terms of n. So we have to represent the general term as Tr now. So Tr means r. So Tr, we are going to represent the general term of the given series as Tr, where r means n. So dear students, the general term of the first numbers of the given series is r. Now let's find out the general term of n, n minus 1, n minus 2. Dear students, again using the formula of Tn equals, again using the formula of Tn equals a plus n minus 1 times d. So n we have replaced by r. Tr equals a plus r minus 1 times d. So dear students, a means first term means n. N plus r means common difference, t2 minus t1. T2 minus t1, n minus 1 minus n minus 1 minus n. N will cancel. That means common difference will get minus 1. The common difference will get minus 1. Dear students, now after putting the value of a means n, r keeping as it is, and t2 minus t1 we have got minus 1. Then we get n plus minus r. Dear students, after calculation we get n minus r minus minus plus 1. So dear students, the general term of, if we take the second numbers of each term of the series, that means n minus 1, n minus 2, which are again in arithmetic sequence, then the general term of the series of the second numbers will get tr equals n minus r plus 1. N minus r plus 1. So dear students, this is the general term of the given series. That means tr equals r n minus r plus 1. Now next we are going to find out dear students, next we are going to find out the sum of the first n terms of the given series, that means Sn. Sn equals summation tr, because general term we have represented by tr. So tr means r times n minus r plus 1. Dear students, let's do the calculation now. Summation n times r, let's multiply, let's open the bracket with r times r is square, r plus 1 we get r. So dear students, now let's find out the sum equals summation n times r, n is the coefficient so we keep it outside, minus summation r is square plus summation r. So this means we have got 1, 2, 3. We have got 3 series. Let's find out the sum. Let's find out the value of the first series. Summation r means we can write as 1 plus 2 plus 3, because the value of r runs from 1 to n. So 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus dot 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 plus n. Summation r represents the sum of the first n natural numbers, which is equal to n plus 1 divided by 2. So this summation r means here the sum of the first n natural numbers, because the value of r runs from 1 to n. n times n plus 1 over 2. So this is the sum of the first series, minus. Dear students, now summation r is square. Summation r is square means 1 is square, 2 is square, 3 is square plus n is square, because the value of r runs from 1 to n. R represents the number of terms. The number of terms we have got n. Now if r runs from 1 to n, then summation r is square represents the sum of the squares of first n natural numbers, and we know that it is equal to n plus 1 to n plus 1 over 6. So let's put the value. Dear students, let's put the value of summation r square. Let's put the value of summation r square. Summation r square means n plus 1 to n plus 1 over 6 plus Summation r represents sum of the first n natural numbers, so we can write it as n plus 1 over 2. Now by doing simplification, we'll get the sum to n terms of the given series. So let's take common. Dear students, if we take n plus 1 divided by 2 common, then the remaining terms will be n 2n plus 1, 2 3 are 6. So after taking n plus 1 by 2 common from all the 3 terms, the remaining terms will be n. The remaining terms will be 2n plus 1 by 3, and here the remaining term will be 1. So dear students, now we are almost in the last step. Now if we take LCM 3, then 3n, 3 times n we get 3n, minus 2n, minus plus minus 1, plus 3 1s are 3. So dear students, after simplification we get n plus 1 divided by 2, 3n minus 2n we get n, 3 minus 1 we get 2 over 3. So dear students, now after multiplication we get n plus 1 divided by 2 3s are 6. So dear students, this is the sum up to n terms of the given series. So dear students, I hope you have understood how to find the how to find the general term and sum to n terms of any given series. Thanks for watching this video. Next time we'll meet with the new content. Till then, bye. Have a nice day. Thank you.